Let me start off by saying this. I have a bad speed itch. We all love to push ourselves to our limit, and for car guys, that typically means speed. I have taken this home-built shifter kart pretty fast on smaller roads, and I'm ready to step it up and take it to the next level with a top speed attempt. Alright, what's up guys? Today we're in this farmland outside of the city, and we got the stick shift go-kart, and we're going to be testing out its top speed. We're going for a top speed run. I'm a little bit nervous, but very excited. So let's see how this goes, and let's see what speed we can hit. We're hoping for 60 miles an hour. The stretch of road is 3,670 feet, which should be enough space to accelerate, reach top speed, and then have a safe distance to brake and slow down before the road intersection. Where is this one going? On the first attempt, 63 miles per hour was the speed read, so I decided that I wanted to go for another go and try to get a little bit faster. Awesome. 66. Not bad. 66.
Where'd you go?
It's right here.
Down that straightaway?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we hit 66 miles an hour. I'm really hyped up right now. This is like really exciting. You can feel the wind just pushing back on the helmet, like the feedback, and huge adrenaline rush, a lot of fun. So with this gear ratio and this engine and the tuning setup that I have, I got a Mikuni carburetor, 24mm. We hit 66 miles an hour, so I'm pretty happy with that. That is fast enough to almost shit your pants, so I don't really need to go faster than that. So yeah, that's it with the stick shift go-kart. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for all my friends filming, running these cars in the back, filming and getting all the shots, and we'll see you in the next one.